Hi, glad to see you again. We are at yet another beautiful home here in Huntsville. This one is at 1320 Chandler Road in Jones Valley in the coveted 35801 area code. This is an older home that has been completely renovated, including all of the systems. And it has a wonderful contemporary flair, which I love contemporary personally. This is roughly 5,100 square feet. It has 3 master bedrooms and then 2 other guests, so 5 rooms totally. And the downstairs area is completely self-sufficient. There's a master, there's a kitchen, there's a seating area. The main house here has the contemporary flair. The downstairs is retro, and we'll go and take a look at that in a second. And before we look at anything else in the house, you must see this sitting area. This is so wonderful. You feel like you're just in the treetops. And especially now with all the fall foliage, this is such an inviting room to sit and talk and read, have your morning coffee, your evening drink. I don't think I'd ever leave here, frankly. And here in the kitchen, they did a great job with the renovation here. You've got a wet bar, you've got a butler's pantry, which is really enormous. Top of the line appliances, this great quartz countertop, and everything is just manageable. It's not too big, not too small. It's a very, very nice feel. And now we're down here in the lower level, where instead of doing everything contemporary, they've decided to keep some of the retro look. Here you've got the master bedroom, sitting area, kitchen, and retro kitchen, which we'll show you in a second. But you still have the great views, and they even left us a little glass. So this house, 5,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms. Price on this is $974 asking. You can also negotiate for the furniture on the inside as well. So if you have interest in this beautiful home in the woods, give me a call and I'd love to show it to you.